In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Pay Now button to your Xero invoices. We'll walk through the exact path inside Xero so your customers can pay you instantly from the invoice. This is quick to set up, and once it's enabled, you'll typically see faster payments and less chasing. Start by opening Xero and heading to the sales area. From there, go to Online Payments. This is the hub where you manage the payment services that power the Pay Now button. Before you attach anything to an invoice, make sure your online payment account is fully set up and active. In practice, that means your chosen provider is connected, verified, and ready to accept funds into your bank account. If anything is incomplete here, the Pay Now button won't show on invoices. A quick check now saves headaches later. Once your payment service is confirmed and active, return to sales, then open invoices. We'll attach the payment option to a specific invoice so you can see the full flow end to end. Switch to the draft tab so you're working on an invoice you can still edit. Select the draft invoice you want to enable for online payment. Inside the invoice, look for the online payment section. Open that panel to see your available options. Click Manage. This is where you choose which connected payment service you want to offer for this invoice. Select the account you want customers to use. Your choice here determines what your customer will see and how the funds arrive to you, so pick the service that aligns with your fees, payout times, and accepted card types. When you've made your selection, click Save. That's it for the setup on this invoice. Here's what to expect next. If you preview the online version of the invoice, you should now see a Pay Now button. When you send the invoice to your customer, the email link opens the online invoice with that same Pay Now option. Your customer can pay immediately, and the payment will flow through your connected provider back into Xero, where you can reconcile it against the invoice. A few quick tips if you don't see the option. First, double check that your payment service is active and verified. Second, make sure you're editing a draft or an approved but unpaid invoice. And finally, confirm you have the right permissions in Xero to manage payment services. With that, you've successfully added a Pay Now button to your Xero invoices, making it easier for customers to pay and for you to get paid faster.